Hello everyone, this is Yunus, and this is the second video I'm making about the solving log functions. The first example that I would like to start with is simplify this expression of log of base 4 of 16 over x. Well, this one, since I'm going to use the quotient property, if you guys need to know that, you can refer to my first video of solving logs. It's going to be log of base 4 of 16 minus log base 4 of x. And since 16 is a perfect square of 4, I'm going to rewrite that as log base 4 of 4 to the second power minus log base 4 of x. Now I'm going to use the exponent property, which is, the exponent comes in the front. That will come in the front there. So it's going to be 2 log base 4 of 4 minus log base 4 of x. Now, there is another property that says log base a of a is always 1. So this whole thing here, which is log base 4 of 4, will be just 1. So I can rewrite that as 2 times 1 minus log base 4 of x. And 2 times 1 is just 2. So my last answer should be 2 minus log base 4 of x. And that's going to be the way you guys would expand log base 4 of 16 over x. I'm going to move on to an example. And the other example that I would like to work is, what if you were asked to, let's make it a little bit challenging, I guess, expand log of base 3 of 3 times x squared minus 1 times x cubed plus 2. Now everything inside the log is divided by x cubed. So the first thing I need to do is to identify what I have inside the log. As you guys see, I do have a product of 3 with the quantity x squared minus 1 with the quantity x cubed plus 2, and then I have a quotient of that with the x cubed on the bottom. So I will use the log properties as follow. For the top, it will be just the addition of each term. So it's going to be log base 3 of 3 plus log base 3 of quantity x squared minus 1 plus log base 3 of x cubed plus 2. And since I have everything over x cubed, that means it's going to be minus log base 3 of x cubed. I do know that log base a of a is always 1, so my first expression will simplify to 1 plus. This one, I know that that's a difference of square. Whatever, inside the second log here, it's x squared minus 1, which I can rewrite as log base 3 of x minus 1 times x plus 1. everything inside the log. Plus, that there's not much I can do to it, so it will remain as log base 3 of x cubed plus 2 minus, again, using the exponent property, the 3 will come in the front like I said, so it's going to be minus 3 log base 3 of x. Again, I need to simplify further. 1 is 1 plus, again, I have a product there, so that will turn out to be the addition of the two terms. So log base 3 of x minus 1 plus log base 3 of x plus 1. I said earlier that there's not much to do for this one, so it will be log base 3 of x cubed plus 2. And that is the most simplified form for the last log, which is log base 3 of x. After this, I can't go any further, so I expanded log base 3 of 3 times x squared minus 1 times x cubed plus 2, everything over x cubed, to what I have written on the bottom over here. So that will be the expansion for this example. I hope you guys liked the video. Please check my other videos, and thank you for watching.